My name is Tracy Collins. I own Collins Bookkeeping Services. I am a QuickBooks Pro advisor, a live plan strategic advisor, and a certified partner with Housecall Pro. We are in business to help you stay in compliance with the IRS while empowering you to make good financial decisions and strengthen your financial stability. So today I'd like to discuss the mapping of income accounts between Housecall Pro and QuickBooks Online. So Housecall Pro is not an accounting program. So therefore you cannot map an income, you cannot map a price list item to a specific income account. That needs to be done in your accounting software. In this case, we're going to go ahead and use QuickBooks Online. So as you can see, this billable expense income is one of the items under our income in our profit and loss statement. Now, the billable expense income is an account that Housecall Pro actually creates when it pushes any new priceless items over into your QuickBooks Online. Now, I want to clarify, this is the new items in priceless items over to QuickBooks Online. So what we want to do, because there may be various different areas that you would like to keep track of for your income. It could be, HVAC replacement. It could be HVAC repairs. It could be service agreements. It could be anything. So you're going to want to go ahead and map these priceless items to the correct income account. So we're going to go over the billable expense income first. So this is the account that Housecall Pro has created from pushing items over. So I'm going to go ahead and drill down into that. And here's an invoice here for it. That, as you can see, the product and service is gutter replacements. So we know that we don't really want that to go to the billable expense income. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up your products and services list. And to do that, you need to go to your gear up in the right, go to products and services, and you're going to want to make sure that your income account is actually listed here. It is not listed by default. So go ahead and click the little tiny gear and click on where it says income account. It will be listed up at the top, and you can just go ahead and click the check mark, and it'll bring up the income account that each product and service is mapped to. So as we're going to scroll down, since we knew that that was a gutters item, and that is going to be right here. So as you can see, gutter replacements, billable expense income. So we're going to go over and click edit and scroll down to where it says income account. So that income account is where you're going to need to change it to go with your information. It's going to need to be that's what you're going to need to use for your sales account. So in this case, we're just going to go ahead and make it a sales income account. So we just go ahead and type in the sales. And what you're going to want to do also, so that you can get all historical transactions, is also click the box that says update this account in historical transactions. You click the check mark, then go ahead and click save and close. So let's go ahead and go back to our profit and loss statement. So as you can see, right here is our billable expense income. And we can see that invoice is gone. Okay, so we'll go back to the sales account. And there's the sales account. So now what you'll look at is this invoice here, which is the gutter replacement, is now listed in the sales category. Now, once you can update all of your product lists, all your products and services in your, just like we did. And it's important to understand that once you have updated the mapping in your QuickBooks Online for your price list items, it should go ahead and put those price list items in the specified sales account that you had it mapped to. However, if you do have new items that you put into your price list, those will automatically get sent into your billable expense income. So it's really a good idea to at least monthly go in and check and see what other items are in your billable expense income so that you can map them to the correct sales account so that you can go ahead and get accurate income numbers for the various parts of your business. And that's really all that I have. Please continue to keep an eye on our YouTube channel, as I'm going to constantly be adding more YouTube videos on the integration of Housecall Pro and QuickBooks Online. And if you feel that you would like some help with staying in compliance with the IRS and some help with making good financial decisions and your financial ability, financial stability, please go ahead and visit our website at www.collinsbookkeeping.com.